In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this grid-based abstract art. This is how the scene looks like. There are 4 area lights, but they were added only to demonstrate how they won't do anything when we add the composite nodes. Let's create a grid. If we extrude this mesh, it will extrude as a whole, and that's not what we want. Let's separate the faces by the edges. Now they're separate, but only in edit mode. In order for us to have separate meshes in object mode, we must separate them in edit mode first. This is how I have created the abstract art mesh. There are 4 area lights with different colors, but they won't do much in the final render scene. Let's see what will happen when we render the scene. As we can see, adding 4 area lights with different colors didn't really do anything, and that's why I used the composite nodes next. The colors we see in the final image didn't have anything to do with the area lights. Here are the full nodes, and please experiment with the composite node settings as well. This set alpha node is optional. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.